Hi, this is Group 28, and we are Eric, Christine, Ann, Anders, and Vilma. Our project has the main goal of designing a privacy-aware front-end for the company called Dipella, who works with differential privacy. So what is Dipella, and more specifically, what is differential privacy? Differential privacy protects datasets full of sensitive information and therefore maintains the integrity of the individual. It works by adding noise using a randomized function to determine whether accessed data should be modified or preserved in its original state. In this procedure, an original dataset is used and a randomized function is applied to produce an altered dataset.
And Dipella is a Gothenburg-based startup who has proposed this bachelor thesis project. They provided us with their own RESTful API, which we were meant to create a front-end for. This API revolves around differential privacy and provides many features for calculation of DP by connecting different open source differential privacy engines to it. And so the two main users for the application is data curators and data analysts. The data curator is the owner of the dataset and is responsible for uploading the dataset and assigning analysts to it. The data analysts can, when assigned, formulate statistical queries on the datasets in order to get results. There is also a third user, namely the admin, who is created for administrative work such as creating and removing accounts.
We already registered 2 users with admin, 1 creator and 1 analyst. The creator, John Doe, uploads a dataset, and here in the multi-step form he can edit some information about it, for instance the name, or set different restrictions on the variables which are in the dataset. And thirdly, he can choose a privacy notion which affects the mathematical noise depending on which notion you choose. And also he can assign a budget to set a limit to the analyst so it can't do an infinite amount of queries on the dataset. After uploading the dataset, John needs to assign an analyst to it. He chooses Jane and gives the analyst a budget of 4 epsilon.
After John has uploaded the dataset, we now log into the assigned analyst, Jane. So here we choose to continue with the dataset and choose the variables we want to analyze and choose statistics, and here we choose mean, salary, and we group by job. And here we choose the budget. Okay, so now we arrive at the result page and we can see the accountant have 12,000 in salary and the dentist have 16,000 in the mean salary.
To conclude this presentation, we as a group are satisfied with the results and have completed 20 of 22 endpoints in the API. There is of course some future work that should be done to further develop the application. Possible improvements include functionality for the users to save past queries and to further develop unimplemented API functionalities. We are also satisfied with the layout and design of the final product, having applied common design patterns throughout the interface. All of this makes for a well-rounded and suitable application for the end users. Thank you so much for listening.